Little March by Daniel Gottlob Turk. It is indeed a little march. It only is this long. And it starts left hand on middle C, and the other hand starts on treble C. Let's first do the left hand. Do, ti, do, do, so, ti, do, fa, so, do. This hand is in this hand position, and so that's a really comfortable position to play this piece in. I'll give you a little more of my hand. Yeah. Isn't that nice, how comfortable that is? And that's not a hard position. Okay, the other hand starts in treble C position. Here we go. Do, 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 so, so, so. Mi, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, re. So, 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 so. Mi, mi, mi. Re, re, mi, re, do, re, do. C, 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 C. G, G, G. And yeah, you want to read these notes, and I'll let you continue on your own. Now, there's a nice little suggestion in this book to transpose it to C minor. Isn't that cool? So now we change this to C, la, 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 mi, mi, mi. Do, do, re, do, ti, ti, mi, 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 do, 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 ti, do, ti, la, ti, do. What a great idea. All right, listen to the whole piece. Here it comes. Hopefully by now you've figured it out. This is just to recheck what you've decided to be the notes. In C minor, a little bit different. Listen. One little change. Now here's one idea, is to improvise. Notice I used those 5 fingers, and I pretty much stayed close to members of the chords that are related. So the first one would be a 1 chord and the 5 chord. So I stayed close to those notes. 1 chord to the 5 chord, 1 chord, and you could have picked this 6 chord, that'd be nice. 4 chord, 5. So what could you do to make this your special arrangement of the Little March by Turk? It is a fun piece to explore.